Hello everybody, my name is Rebecca Grace and I am a Squarespace website designer for travel photographers, and today we are going to be talking about changing and editing the style of the font in your footer. So if we go down to the bottom of our page here, we have some text in the footer, and for various reasons you might want the font here to be a different size or a different color than the rest of the font on your page. So for instance, I want the heading 1 in my footer to be slightly different than heading 1 on the rest of my site. So what you're going to do is go to Design, go down to Custom CSS, and you can copy and paste in the code I have below this video. The first part of this code here is where you can change the font size and the color of the text within the footer. So right now I have it set to change heading 1 to font size 20 and the color of red in my footer. I don't have a heading 1 in my footer, so nothing changes yet, but you can change heading 1 to be whatever type of font you're looking to change. So heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So you notice these were all my heading 3s. So maybe I want to change those to size 14 and I want them to be red, or whichever color you want them to be. You can copy and paste the code in the style editor, whatever, it's usually like a hashtag and then 6 different things underneath. So that comes up to like an orange color. So whatever, you can go into your style editor, click on the color, and this will be underneath. Or you might see something that's like HSL, something like this. So that's like it's like a beigey color. It doesn't look much different than the white here. But whatever color is in your style editor, you can copy and paste that right here. So for right now I just have red. So change it to the size, the number here, or the color here, and you can change this to be, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or if you want it to change the body text, it's a P for paragraph. Okay. If you want to change the size of text in just one part of your footer, so for instance, on my site, I have my copyright and privacy policy in the bottom of my footer, and I want that to be quite small text. So in that case, you're going to use footer blocks bottom, and I think this is actually a heading 3. Yep. So you can change that to quite small text, and maybe you want it to be red or whatever brand color you have. If it's text in the top you want to change, you're going to change the word bottom to top, or if it's in the middle, you change the word bottom to middle here. Okay, so again, different things you can change. You can change this to be heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or your body text, which is a P. The number here to represent your font size, and the color here comes from the bit of code underneath in your site styles. And this little section, you can change this to be top, middle, or bottom of your footer. And again, then the rest of the options are still the same. You can change this to be heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or body, and font size or color. So that is how you edit the color and font size of different aspects of your footer.